First, there are two major types of ecosystem. First one, natural ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem. What is the meaning for artificial ecosystem? Say any one of the example. Say any one of the artificial ecosystem example. To construct any one of the cities, that is a smart city. Construct any one of the smart city. Also, what is that? Artificial ecosystem. So this college also one of the artificial ecosystem. Okay, theme parks also one of the example for artificial ecosystem. So ecosystem means nothing. What is ecosystem? Certain kind of species are living in a particular environment that is called ecosystem. So that is called ecosystem. So ecosystem are majorly classified into natural and artificial. The natural ecosystem are further classified into terrestrial and aquatic. The terrestrial ecosystem are further classified into forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, etc. And aquatic ecosystem are further classified into marine ecosystem, non-salty ecosystem. Non-salty or freshwater ecosystem. That is further classified into lengthy and also floating. So the lengthy means stream, pond, that kind of ecosystem. Floating means river ecosystem. Then marine ecosystem are further classified into ocean ecosystem and sea ecosystem. So that are the overall flowchart of types of ecosystem. So the types of ecosystem are further classified into mainly classified into two types. First one natural ecosystem, second one artificial ecosystem. First one the ecosystem is the certain kind of species are living in a particular environment is called ecosystem. So artificial ecosystem means the ecosystem which is made by the man is called artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem means what is that? Naturally it is obtained in our environment. Okay, that is called natural ecosystem, which should be further classified into terrestrial and also aquatic. The ecosystem which is present in the land is called terrestrial ecosystem. The terrestrial ecosystem are further classified into forest, desert, grassland, and anyone. Further doesn't know. Think about it. So next one, aquatic ecosystem are classified into freshwater and marine water ecosystem. Marine water ecosystem are classified into ocean and sea. Both are same or different? How you say both are different? How ocean and seas are very different? If you take the sea, Bay of Bengal is a sea. Indian Ocean is a ocean. What is the difference between Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean? That's my question today.
Indian Ocean is joined Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal.
So first one is what is that? Occupation, values. Okay. So not only that, ocean current should be changed. Salinity of the water should be changed. In ocean current, salinity of the water and also ocean temperature should be changed in some of the regions. But in the seas, this all aspects are same in maximum of the regions. That is the reason, that is the main difference between ocean and also sea ecosystem. Pavitran, can you able to explain what is the difference between ocean and sea? Here, phone இல்லாம மெசேஜ் அப்படினா வேற நீங்க கேட்பீங்க சொல்லுங்க ஓகேவா சோ அந்த மாதிரி என்ன சொல்றீங்க ஃபோன் மாதிரி வாட் இஸ் டிஃபரன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் ஓஷன் அண்ட் ஷீ Okay. Standing water body. Water stand here, only one place, that is called engine. Just like some stream, pond ecosystem, stream ecosystem. Okay, so next one, float, it means river ecosystem. So flowing ecosystem is called floating ecosystem. So next one, we see about functions of ecosystem. There are three main functions. First one, primary function. Second one, secondary function. Third one, tertiary function. What is primary function? There are three. Yeah, that is manufacturing of starch. So that is called photosynthesis. Can you able to explain photosynthesis reaction? Can you please? Photosynthesis reaction is given. Come on, right there. So distribution of energy to the various tropical level. What is tropical level? What is tropical level, Jagadish? Shamim Irfan. What is tropical level? So, first primary function is the manufacture of starch. Secondary function is the distribution of energies to the various tropical level. Tropical level is nothing but that is the transfer of energy from producers to consumer, consumer to primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, and also decomposers. That is called tropical level. Okay. So next one, what is the tertiary function? What is tertiary function? Decomposition. So decomposition is the tertiary function of the ecosystem. The unwanted species are decomposed by the bacteria. That is called tertiary function of the ecosystem. What is first? Now, nearly 95% of energy are wasted again reflected to the environment. Only 5% are utilized by the plant. So that 5% is only during the process. What is that? Photosynthesis process. Effective utilization of the photosynthesis process. So after that, nearly 95% of energy is liberated. Only 5% is considered under the plant to what is the primary consumer. So next, similar for the next one. Only 5% are connected to the secondary consumer and 5% is connected to the tertiary consumer. Okay, that is the energy flow in the ecosystem. Usually this energy flow is governed by two laws. First one, thermodynamics first law. Second one, thermodynamics second law. What is thermodynamics first law? The energy can neither be created nor destroyed. And should be converted to one form to another. Here this kind of energy is converted into another one. Solar energy. Solar energy is converted into what is that? Heat energy. Here the solar energy is converted into heat energy. Okay. What is the thermodynamics second law? Anybody? The energy transfer from one form to another. Certain amount of energy should be converted into the heat energy. So that is called thermodynamics second law. So the overall is called the energy flow in the ecosystem. Notice first. Basic தான்.